Welcome to another edition of Toma Memorial's Health Check 360. This year, Monroe County National Night Out is Tuesday, August 6th in Toma's Winnebago Park. And to give us all the details, we have Community Outreach Health Educator Julie Anderson with us. Welcome, Julie. It's so nice to have you with us.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Yeah, so can you just start with the big, what is the community, what's the night out?
Sure.
Just trying to give us a rundown of what it is.
Sure. So National Night Out is a really great opportunity for community members to spend time with our heroes in our local community. So law enforcement, EMTs, firefighters, and hospital staff. Okay. So there's a fun event that's from 4 to 8, so it's 4 hours of a good time with all those different heroes.
Then what will some of our, if I'm attending and I've never gone there, what would I might experience when I get there? Could you kind of walk us through a little bit of that?
There are a lot of vendors, over 40 vendors that have different.
Over 40.
Yeah. So they have over different tables and events, things like car seat safety checks and water safety information, information about storms and weather, how to watch out for that.
Oh, probably even like pets in your car, maybe.
We will have some information on pets. We'll have some information on providing CPR, the hands-only CPR, so that kiddos can learn that. The event is really focused on children. We want them to come in their superhero costumes to match up with the heroes that they're going to be seeing when they're there. So beyond the vendors, there's some great events. So there's a bike expo that happens for 2 hours, so kids can learn some bike safety as well as
like a hands-on.
Yeah, bring your bike and bring your helmet and ride through the track and get some bike safety information as well as bike licensing if they want. And then there's some demonstrations. So in the past we've had like a mock crash demonstration. This year the demonstration will be more on life support, life-saving support. What to do when the ambulance staff takes somebody out of a car and how do they resuscitate them. Wow. Yeah, it's really cool stuff.
So is there a cost to this event for anybody attending?
No, it's completely free.
Oh, wow. What a great event. Now, so Winnebago Park.
Winnebago Park.
What if there's a rain? Is there a cancellation or a rain date, or does it happen even if it's weather?
It happens no matter what.
Okay, so no matter what annual is this? Because I know you've been
17th annual.
17. That is quite a lot. That's a lot of years.
It is.
Do you have a favorite booth there, vendor that you?
Well, I used to participate in car seat safety checks. So for me personally, I always liked that, talking with the kids about how old and tall do they have to be before they can get out of their booster seats. But there's a lot more fun stuff. This year we'll be doing some selfie booths, so people will be able to dress up in their capes and their little masks for superheroes, take selfie pictures.
Little photo booth. Those are really popular with kids and things like that.
And we'll have them throughout the park.
Okay. And is there anything that kids should bring with them other than like their superhero? Do they need to take notes or anything that
No, so they'll bring their superhero, wear their superhero costumes if they want to. If they're going to do the bike rodeo, they should bring their bike and helmet.
Okay, that's a good point.
Yeah.
Right.
And then when they come at the beginning, we'll have a bag for them to put all their goodies in.
Oh, sure, because I'm assuming they probably have free things and items that they can take home with them.
Health information, fun stuff, tattoo, little,
like brochures.
Tattoos, brochures of information.
Okay.
So they'll have a little bag, and there's lots of booths with treats.
Okay. Accompanied by an adult or?
Preferred.
Preferred. Okay. Yeah. And is there an age limit to the event at all?
No, there's not an age limit, but that bike rodeo is focused on kiddos between 3 and 15.
Okay, Julie, thank you so much for joining us. Did I miss anything? We got it all covered?
We do.
Okay, what a great night, and thank you for joining us. It's always great to have you guys here with us.
Thanks so much.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us on this edition of Toma Memorial's Hospital's Health Check 360. We'll see you at this year's Monroe County National Night Out.